Good morning everyone. Class 5 Chapter 4 Factor and Multiples. Learning Outcomes. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to list the multiples of factors of a number. Check divisibility of a number by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10. Dif- differentiate Differentiate between prime and composite numbers. Find the prime factors of a number. Find the SCF and LCM of two or more numbers. Get started. Factors and multiples in real life. Eggs are sold in boxes of 6 each. Which of the following numbers of eggs will fill complete boxes? 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 18, 20, 24, 30. You can find the answer by drawing the egg boxes and counting the eggs. Or you can divide each number by 6 and find the numbers divisible by 6 without leaving a remainder. You can also find the answer by multiplying 6 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. 1 6 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12, 3 6 ja 18, 4 6 ja 24, 5 6 ja 30. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 are called multiple of 6. A multiple of a number is exactly divisible by the number it is obtained by multiplying the number by 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. In 3 into 6 is equal to 18. 18 is a factor of 3 and 6, and 3 and 6 are factor of 18. A factor of a number divides the number without leaving a remainder. 3 into 6 is equal to 18. Multiple of 3. 3 factor of 18 multiply 6 factor of 18 is equal to 18. Multiple of 6 multiple of 3. Check what you know. Properties of factors. First, 1 is a factor of every number. Second, every number is a factor of itself. Third, a factor of a number is smaller than or equal to the number. Fourth, the smallest factor of a number is 1. Fifth, the greatest factor of a number is the number itself. 6. A number has a limited number of factors. Every number other than 1 has at least 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Properties of multiples. Every number is a multiple of 1. Every number is a multiple of itself. A multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. 4. A number has an uncountable number of multiples. There is no largest multiple of a number. The factor of a number can be found by multiplication or division. Factors of 12 by multiplication. 1 into 12 is equal to 12. 4 and 3 are factors. 2 6 ja 12. 4 and 3 are factor. 3 4 जा 12, 4 and 3 are factor. Factor of 12 by division. 12 divided by 1 is equal to 12. 4 and 3 are factors. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. There are the factors of 12 are the factors of 12 are 1 2 3 4 6 12. Similarly, you can find that the factor of 16 is 1 2 4 8 16. Common factor of 12 and 16 1 2 4. A factor tree shows the different ways in which a number can be made by multiplying its factor. 12 2 6 ja 12. 12 is 2 6 ja 12. 6 2 3 ja 6. 12 4 3 ja 12. 4 2 2 ja 4. The first 10 multiples of 2 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20. The first 10 multiples of 3 3 6 9 12 15 18 21 24 27 30. Common multiples of 2 and 3 6 12 18. 1. Question first. Find the first 10 multiples of each of the following pair of numbers, then list the common multiples. 4 and 5. 4 is equal to 4 8 12 16 20 24 28 32 36 40. 5 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 40 45 50. Common multiples. Common multiples of 4 and 5 is equal to 20 and 40. 20 40. B 2 and 6. Factor 2 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20. 6 6 12 18 24 30 36 42 40 42 8 54 60. Common multiple is equal to 6 12 18. 3 and 5. 3, 6, 19, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Common factor is equal to 15 and 30. Find the factor of each of the following pairs of numbers, then list the common factors. 18, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. 6, such that 1, 2, 3, 6. Common factor is equal to common factor 1, 2, 3, 6, 14 and 21. 14 factor 1, 2, 7, 14. 21 such that 1, 3, 7, 21. Common factor is equal to 1, 7. C 4 and 5. 4 factor 4, 1, 2, 4. 5 such that 1, 5. Common factor is equal to only 1. Stay home, stay safe.